Hello, teacher. Do you remember me? I'm Carlos, your formal student. Carlos. Oh, sure. I was your teacher last year. Of course, I remember you. How are you? I'm good, teacher. Do you know I traveled to the Canada this year? I just got back from my trip. That's great. I remember. You told me you are going to travel. Congratulations. Then you had the chance to practice your English. You have to put into practice everything which you have learned. Yeah, so. I mean, I could speak English, but it was not good. What do you mean? You have advanced English level. Weren't you able to communicate? No, well, I could, but it's different, teacher. I can't understand the native English speaker very well. They speak very fast. I understand just a few words and I can't answer them properly. I need to speak English like them, that fast. That's why I am here. I need your help, please. I see. Then you need to speak like a native English speaker and also understand what they say. Don't worry, I have some minutes before I go back to classes, so I will help you. Really, thank you so much, teacher. I will pay attention. I promise. It can be very frustrating when you don't understand the native speakers. I know that. Especially you have been studying English for a while, or like you finished studying English. When you get into a conversation and to keep asking someone to repeat and slow down, it can feel demoralizing. But the first thing you have to do is to be patient. Give yourself some time to get used to the person's accent and also to the ways in which native speakers stress some words, reduce other sounds, and connect sounds. So, to understand English speakers better, you will have to learn about linking and elisions. You need to practice deduction. Oh, I am so late. I need to go to my class. Teacher, you have helped me a lot. Seriously. I will do everything you said. I promise. But I need more tips to know how to speak English faster. Can I come tomorrow? Of course. If you want to know how to speak English faster, then you can come tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, teacher.